In this video, we explore how probability revolutionized the social sciences. In many subdisciplines of the social sciences and humanities, typologies rule. People are divided into ideal types. You can have baby boomers and Generation X, for example, or the left and right in politics. In a typology, we identify groups in society and describe their qualities or characteristics. Typologies are appealing because they simplify the world, they bring order. However, in most cases, these typologies are so generic that they are vague. Part of what makes them appealing is that the different types are so vague that we think we can fit different cases. This works because as humans we see patterns even if they aren't there. That's our nature. That's how fortune tellers and the Barnum effect works. As social scientists, however, we can do better. The trouble we face is that there is heterogeneity everywhere we look. Not everyone falls neatly into the divisions provided by a typology. We could fight over the supposedly correct typology as much of social science and humanities continues to do, or we could embrace a probabilistic worldview. It's this probabilistic worldview that has quietly revolutionized social sciences. It allows us to see relationships, regularities, patterns, yet we avoid too much simplification. A probabilistic worldview opens the world of quantitative analysis, but we're not tied to a particular approach at all. What we can do is make broad predictions. For example, what percentage of people with basic education will fail an exam? Or what percentage of people with more advanced education will do? We do not predict for each person sitting the exam if they pass or fail. The best we can do is express the probability that a person with certain characteristics will pass. An individual either passes or fails, but we operate at the aggregate level of groups and sections of society. The beauty of a probabilistic worldview is that we can work with concepts such as socioeconomic status that we can enumerate in a probabilistic way, even if we never observe it directly. And we can examine the consequences of having little or much status. So with a probabilistic worldview, we can actually work with many of the theories we already have in the social sciences in a way that typologies cannot.